Hi friends. So there are many questions about golden visa and people keep asking about what is a golden visa and how should we go about with it. So today I have Miss Aditi with me, who is an expert and would give you all the details about how should you apply for a golden visa. So if you are somebody who wants to get a golden visa, so this video is for you. So Miss Aditi, can you tell us more about what is a golden visa? What are the advantages, the types of golden visa?
Sure. So Dubai government, they came up with this concept of golden visa. It started in 2019 and there are two types of golden visas that are provided. One is for 5 years, another is for 10 years. Basically, there are a lot of advantages of having a golden visa. For example, it provides you long-term residency. As I said, it could be either of 5 years or 10 years. It is provided to entrepreneurs, to talented individuals and their family members. It will provide you with the privilege of not needing any sponsor or employee, basically, which is a very big advantage. You can also sponsor your family members if you have a golden visa, so you can provide that to your family members, your spouse, children, and you can have unlimited work permits. You can provide to your domestic employees. You can live in this country, you can access all the infrastructure, facilities, resources, everything here. There is no personal income tax. So you can have a long-term residency here. So basically, you can have multiple entry-exit. Individuals can travel in and out of the country and stay out of the country for more than usual period of 6 months, because usually when we take normal visas, we have to visit at least once in 6 months, right? But if you are having golden visa, then that mandate doesn't exist. Plus, there is a list of 32 approved foreign residents, foreign countries in Dubai who they are having a golden visa and a driving license in their home country. Then they can take a UA driver's test without needing any extra lessons. So this is also an added advantage. Plus, Abu Dhabi government has come up with some extra benefits. For example, they are providing some extra discounts, offers on cars and on the selected properties. And we have Imkan properties in Abu Dhabi, so they are providing with some, on selected properties, they are providing with some discounts. You can get some reduced premiums on annual health insurance plans. So like this, you can get some special offers for dining, spa treatments, gyms and all that. So these are some additional advantages you get if you have a golden visa.
So Miss Aditi, who all can apply for the golden visa and what is the qualification criteria?
Investors, salaried professionals, exceptional talents, for example, PhD holders, doctors, scientists, coders. Then students with outstanding grades, they should be below 25 years of age from a premium institute and must have a percentage of like 95%. They should be minimum, grade 12 passed. GPA must be something like 3.8 like that, so even they qualify. Or maybe celebrities, sports personalities, all these people, they qualify for golden visa. So basically everybody qualifies provided that you are fulfilling the qualification criteria. So let's discuss about the qualification criteria. The qualification criteria, it is different for different category of people. So let's first discuss about investment. So if you are somebody who wants to get golden visa on the basis of investment, then what is the criteria? In that case, there are multiple options. Maybe one could be that you already own a property in UAE whose worth is at least 2 million dirhams, which should not be under any loan, and or you have a financial property wherein you have already paid 2 million dirhams. So it's a 2 million paid up capital. Then you will qualify for golden visa. If not, you could have some business in UAE which is generating, say, minimum annual revenue of 10 million dirhams and earning a profit of 2 million dirhams for the shareholders. Still, that can help you get the qualification for golden visa. Next could be you have a 2-year-old fixed deposit of 2 million dirham in your bank account, then also you qualify. And what else? You can, if you are going through the investment golden visa criteria, then you need to provide with the title deed. You must have passport copy, you must have residence visa, and you must also have Emirates ID. These are the basic documents that will be asked for.
So that was all about investors. What about salaried professionals, outstanding talent and students?
See, for salaried professionals, you should be earning at least 30,000 dirham, that is like 8,000 USD per month. This should be supported with personal bank accounts of 6 months bank statement. You should be holding an active employment contract. The designation should be either director, general manager, chairman, like that. Anything below that can be a problem. You should have a university education, which should be the certificate should be fully attested, and it should be equivalence from some Ministry of Education basically. Because you are employed, we also require NOC letter from the company where you're working that they allow the employee to hold golden visa. They should not have any objection with that, and your service period in that company should not be less than 1 year. You will also ask for the labor contract with the same profession, your salary, everything should be mentioned over there. And on the top of that, we'll ask for your passport and visa copy. We'll ask for Dubai visa and a studio passport size picture. If you are opting for the outstanding talent, then in that case, apart from the basic documents, we would also ask for some awards or any certificates related to your proposed field from the Ministry of UAE or the Ministry of Culture from your home country. So they should provide some certification showing that you have an outstanding talent in a particular domain.
So what is the fee structure, process and timeline for applying for a golden visa?
So when it comes to fee, the fee can vary little bit depending on what criteria we are applying. So as we already discussed, that there are different criteria. So an average price of a UAE golden visa, it ranges between 2,700 to 9,800, and this will include the application fee, medical test, Emirates ID application, the processing fee. If you have applied on the basis of property investment, then there could be an additional fee for that. But the range is between 2,700 to 9,800. If applied from outside country, the cost can be slightly more. So you should also remember that the golden visa prices, they may change without any prior notice. But as of now, we have noticed that the cost range is between this only. The process and timeline, see, we apply for the nomination through the Department of Economic Development or any government approved free zone. And if applying for nomination, then it can take up to 2 months. The golden visa processing time is 48 hours. Once all the required documents are submitted, then 48 hours is the timeline. But if we are applying for the nomination, then it can even go up to 2 months. You said that why do you need us? So see, in UAE we have a very streamlined process, well-defined systems. So you can do things by yourself as well. But sometimes there are some documents that you might not be aware of needs to be presented, so you may have to make multiple visits. To save all that, we share with you what is the qualification. We will make sure if you are qualifying, only then we proceed with it, right? So that pre-qualification will be done by us. We'll review all your documents that they are correct or no, so that you don't have to make multiple visits. You will go there only when you are required once, that's it. Rest of the work will be taken care of by us. So the pre-qualification, document review, process management, all that will be done by us. and this is going to help you save a lot of time. So this is the reason why you should take help from us to process your golden visa.